Sousi Pa. Fish with coconut cream. A main dish from Cambodia. Serves 2. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Wash fillets and cut into serving pieces. Remove stalks and seeds from large dried chilies and soak in hot water for 10 minutes. Step 2. With mortar and pestle, pound the chilies, garlic, lemon leaves, laos, lemongrass or lemon rind to a paste. An electric blender can be used, but it may be necessary to add a tablespoon or so of thick coconut milk to facilitate Heat the thick coconut milk in a saucepan until you see the oil floating on top. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Add pounded or blended mixture and fry until cooked, stirring constantly. Step 4. Add pieces of fish and turn them in the mixture. Cooking. Then add thin coconut milk with basil and small whole dried chilies that have been fried for a few seconds in hot oil. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.